Hi everyone, we're going to continue our cursive practice, and last time we did the letter L, which was a loop letter, and today we're going to do the letter E, which is also a loop letter and very similar to L actually. So get your packet, you'll need a pencil, and you'll want to sit somewhere where you have a hard surface. I will share my screen so that you can see how to do the letter E. And then we'll practice on the sheet. So here we go. And it is a loop letter because again, it has a loop. You're gonna do a lot of the same things you did with the letter L, except you're just gonna go a little bit lower onto the airplane line instead of that sky line. So let's get started. Let's look at the letter E. Just watch the first time, then we'll do it in the air and then on our hands or on our arms and on our legs.
E is a loop letter. It starts on the grass line. Point to the grass line. Glide up to the plane line. Loop back down to the grass line and make a tail.
And there's the tail, so you can connect it to the next letter. Okay, try it in the air.
E is a loop letter. It starts on the grass line. Point to the grass line. Glide up to the plane line. Loop back down to the grass line and make a tail.
So it's just like the letter L, except you're not going all the way up to the sky line. You stop at the airplane line. Okay, now do it on your arm or hand.
E is a loop letter. It starts on the grass line. Point to the grass line. Glide up to the plane line. Loop back down to the grass line and make a tail.
Now try it on your leg.
E is a loop letter. It starts on the grass line. Point to the grass line. Glide up to the plane line. Loop back down to the grass line and make a tail.
Nice job. So I don't think that's going to be too tricky. You still have that slant. I will show it to you on the packet. Back. There we go. Upside down from my last lesson. Let's see. There we are. Okay, so again, I'm going to ask you to use pencil. I'll try pencil, see if it shows up. Just because this is new, we want to make sure that you can erase your mistakes. So starting at the top, you'll see the very large letter E. We want to trace that. So put your pencil on the grass line. You're going to trace over that. You're going to kind of go to a slant, right? And then make your loop after you go to the airplane line, and then back to the grass line and make your tail. Now you have room to do at least 3 more, so then you'll try it on your own, slant up to the airplane line, make your loop, come back down to the grass line and make your tail. Again, loop and make a tail. And it will connect. Okay, so once you get your 3 up there, do the same thing with the lower ones. You're just going to trace over the first one to get the feel, because this is a lot smaller. This is more what you'll be doing when you actually start writing in cursive. And we usually try to get about 10 of these. Leave a space between them. You don't want to connect. Oh, I got to squeeze one more in. And then you'll continue through with the rest of the lines. Actually, you want to do all of these. See if you can get 10. If you make a mistake, just erase. Sometimes I like to put a star on top of the one I think is my best one. You're not going to be perfect. It's just the beginning of learning how to do cursive. Remember, you're not going to pick up your pencil at all until you go to the next letter. That's what's kind of cool about cursive. Once you start connecting letters, it's a lot faster because you don't have to pick up your pencil for every letter. You start connecting them. Now, a lot of people prefer cursive, so I'll be curious to see what you guys think. So don't forget to do that page. It's on the back of the letter L in your cursive packet, and then hold on to that packet because we're going to work through it. These are our lowercase letters, and then I have another one for you, which I'll get to my remote learners later when we get to the capital letters. All right, enjoy your practice. And I will stop sharing. And we'll see you soon.